Kia ora and welcome to everybody. This video is to give you an overview of what we have achieved with design thinking in 2019 at Ara. So in the middle of last year we trialled some tools and resources for a Eureka challenge with the EAR leadership team, and we refined those and improved them and came up with the first Eureka challenge, which is still underway. That Eureka challenge is the academic promotions process, and we're looking forward to seeing the outcomes of that in February this year. We also did an adapted version of the Eureka challenge called a Design Dash. That particular one we ran at the end of November, and our challenge statement was addressing the parity gap for Māori learners in two programs in hospitality and service industries. Problems, small hurdles or colossal obstructions are usually a source of frustration, but in design thinking, those are the things that provide the critical insight and the stimulus for innovation. And we've put this video together for you to hear from the people who participated in those two challenges last year.
I did know some stuff about design thinking before I started the Eureka Challenge. I knew that organisations who've adopted it are using it as a great way for teams to innovate, but very much with the human at the centre of the design solutions that they're putting in place.
I didn't really have a conception at all. I just thought you're going to get a plan and then you're going to find a way to make a solution to it.
I'd never heard of it before, if I'm honest. So design thinking to me was, oh my gosh, I've got to draw something.
I didn't know a lot. I had Googled it, so I knew that it was designing around a user need and defining a problem.
We were going in with the problem and wanted to come out with a solution.
Well, today we've done a fantastic adapted approach to design thinking, which has been called a Design Dash, I think.
So we had great conversations happening, no barriers, no pretences.
It was so structured the whole way through, and we had two great facilitators who ran the process.
It was nice to be with other people who were focused and who had experience of the question that we were going to address.
The students are at the heart of what we're doing right now, and I think that everybody on this team feels like that.
Do it. If you get asked to do Design Dash, do it.
Don't overthink it before you go in, because it's not how it's going to happen at all.
It's usually in small enough groups that you can really work to who you are in the process.
It's a really interesting set of skills to develop, you know, and a new set of lenses to look at things through.
It's empowering, it's encouraging, and it's such a new experience that, that anyone should be part of. I think it's a great thing.